Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use DeepSeek on WhatsApp. So first and foremost, you have to make sure that you have installed your WhatsApp here on your device. Also, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Now, what you're going to do here in order for you to use DeepSeek AI here on WhatsApp is you have to simply create a new contact for this DeepSeek AI. You have to click this plus icon and you have to allow context right here. And the next thing to do is you have to follow my instruction. Tap on allow and then click new contact right here. As you can see, there are several options, but what you're going to do next is tap on new contact. Here on new contact, what you're going to do is select that specific email where you want to save this contact. And then for the name, you can just simply add here DeepSeek. You can leave the last name. Everything is up to you. But for me, I want to add AI. So this is DeepSeek AI. And then here for the phone number, what you're going to do is you have to follow the number that I'm going to type right now. So this is what it looks like. You have to copy this. And then once you're done, then what you're going to do next is you have to click the next button. As you can see, this one is available on WhatsApp. So once done, then all you have to do is tap on save. So click this one right here. And then after that, you can now start chatting DeepSeek AI by asking any prompt. So this is what it looks like if you tap on the DeepSeek AI that you have added here on your WhatsApp. And then in order for you to start, you can just write anything here, but you have to confirm that you're the one who's using your number or you are not an AI too by typing yes once the DeepSeek AI asks you some confirmation. So let me type a prompt first. Press the paper plane option or icon, which means send. And then you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and this DeepSeek AI here on WhatsApp will respond or message you. So for example, I'm going to ask here a prompt. So once I'm done, then all I have to do is tap on send. And then this DeepSeek AI will respond to me, but basically it will just ask me to confirm that I'm 100% Cuban, so I have to tap on yes. Then once you tap yes, then what you're going to do next is you can now generate a script or prompt. So here I'm going to show you how to generate a prompt using DeepSeek AI. First is like it's a YouTube automation prompts for DeepSeek. So this one is very important or necessary, especially if you want to do script writing, video title ideas, video description, shorts and reels for your Instagram or TikTok, and then also do a content planning. So I'm going to show you a sample prompt like what I've showed you earlier. This is write a 3-minute YouTube script titled, for example, Beautiful Places in the World. Use a friendly tone, include a short hook, 3 main points with examples, and a call to action at the end. And then wait as DeepSeek AI here in WhatsApp is trying to respond according to what you're asking. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And as you can see, this is how DeepSeek AI respond to my prompt. Okay, so once DeepSeek AI responds to your prompt, then all you have to do is to just basically copy this and then paste it to whatever AI tools you want to use. But this is how DeepSeek AI respond to your prompt here on WhatsApp. Okay, now another thing is I'm going to ask video title ideas. So this time I had to type for video title ideas, generate 10 high click YouTube video titles about, let's just say, safest places in the world, or actually everything is up to you. Now here you can also add prompt like use curiosity driven, emotion based language with under 60 characters. Okay, and then once you're done typing the prompt, then all you have to do again is tap on this paper plane icon or the send icon, and then you have to wait for WhatsApp or DeepSeek AI to respond to your prompt right here. Okay, so basically, it is not that easy, it's not that fast, but you just have to wait, and then DeepSeek AI on WhatsApp will give you the answer according to what you ask here. And then same thing, all you have to do is to copy and then paste this one or follow this one and use this for your YouTube automation. So basically, it's now trying to give you the best answer. So you have to wait for a couple of minutes here. This is what it looks like. This is the answer. And you just have to read, copy, and paste it. Now, another prompt that you can use here on DeepSeek AI is for shorts and reels script. In case you want to create reels or shorts using your Instagram or TikTok. So you can type here, create a short 60-second video script about specific topic like wonderful places in the world, and then using fast-paced, punchy sentences and with a call to subscribe. And then once done, tap on this paper plane icon or send icon right here. And then after that, again, you have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. It depends. And DeepSeek AI will give you the answer according to the prompt that you ask. Okay, so what you're going to do with the answer is that you can copy and then use it as an instruction, or this is what you're going to follow, especially if you want to create reels and shorts on your Instagram and TikTok. Okay, so aside from that, you can also do content planning. So DeepSeek prompt tips: be specific about tone, structure, and audience. Use include and avoid phrases to control output. And if you're generating code, DeepSeek is particularly good with write a Python script that ... So basically, this is how good it is, and this is how great and amazing this DeepSeek AI here on WhatsApp. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.